Hi there, it's Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com, and today I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video with you for my Erin Condren Black Friday haul. I actually have two orders, and this is one of them. So the second one hasn't come yet, and I will do that video with you when it gets here. So this is really quick. There's not too many things in here, but I did splurge, and I'll show you what's in here. So the first thing I got, this was really intriguing. It seems like a fun little pouch. It's the accordion pouch, and I thought it would be a fun way to store supplies or travel, not even necessarily with supplies, but with, your toiletries, or when you go travel. This is an accordion pouch, and it opens like this, and all the pouches are sort of interconnected. And I saw somebody else's, and I was surprised at how big it is. It seems like there's a lot of space in here. So if you do travel with your planner supplies and you want to put pencils and markers and post-its and scissors and stickers or whatever, you have plenty of space for that. But you could also use it for traveling in other ways, or you could also just use it in your home office. It's so colorful and fun. So that's the accordion pouch. This is my splurge, and I will open that last. And I also got the Designer Sticker Book Monthly Collection Edition 5, which is their newest one. So they have stickers for every month. So that was something I got. All right, this is the planner tote, and I got it in the sort of shimmery gold leather. It comes in, I think, 4 different colors, and I was between the black leather. There's 2 leathers and 2 canvas. And so it comes with this dust cover bag, which is nice. And then let's see, it was, the Erin Condren Black Friday sale, everything was 30% off. So I was pretty excited to give this a try. Sort of been on my list, and I was looking for a good tote bag, a little bit deep, that I could, carry things around in. There's a little piece of plastic on there. So I will do a separate review for this, but it is really pretty. It's a nice heavy leather. It's a little bit heavier than I thought it would be, but I bet the strap is in here too. But it's, and it's a little slouchy, which is nice. So I will do a separate review on this leather. I don't know if you can see it here, on the planner tote bag. There, is that a better view? And let you know my thoughts on this. But I'm excited to finally get my Black Friday haul in. Been waiting for it for a little while. So this is Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com.